So I had $500 to my name. I had a garbage bag full of clothes because I couldn't afford a suitcase. And so I caught a one-way ticket to Las Vegas, moved out there, and been out there ever since. And so when I got to Vegas, I found out that business and entrepreneurship wasn't easy. Right. So found myself homeless and sleeping in cars and couch surfing. But some has stuck out to me, Bill, when I was out there. I remember before I moved to Las Vegas, I had heard a quote that eventually credit will become the new dollar. And that just stuck out to me.
That's hard.
And so what happened was I was going to try to buy a car when I was in Las Vegas, and I kept having to get a cosigner. And so I'm 26 years old. I'm out here trying to date. And I'm like, damn, I can't even buy a car.
Damn.
And so I wasn't about to call my parents or nobody asked for a cosigner.
Right.
And so I remember the guy at the car dealership had let me see the credit report. And so I'm on there and I saw I had repossessions. I'm like, anything bad and negative, I had it on my credit report. You remember Gateway Computers?
Yes, sir.
That was on my credit.